Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Ensure the right CLI client is installed and you have credentials ready. Once done, export or save user, host, port, and database name so you don't retype them. Now, open your terminal, change into the project folder, and run the client command. MySQL user ph host, PSQL h host user DDB, or SQLite 3 file. DB, so you get an interactive prompt. This gets you into the database quickly and securely. Once connected, you explore and act. List databases or tables to orient yourself. For example, use show databases or \l and \dt depending on client. Then run queries. Select to read, insert /update/delete to change data, and always end statements with a semicolon so the CLI executes them. Make sure to commit transactions when required. Otherwise, changes may not persist. You can also run SQL scripts with source. You wrap up by cleanly exiting the CLI, type exit or \q so you free connections. If you need backups, run dumps like pgdump or miscldump and restore with the corresponding restore or import command. SQLite uses. Dump. If something goes wrong, first check authentication, host and port, and any firewall rules. Next, enable verbose or debug mode to see detailed errors. Finally, retry the failing command after fixing settings, and make sure you understand why the change was needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.